We're taking your questions, dealing with all kinds of issues, especially porn addiction. We have a question that says how to get back from a relapse. Like, how do you recover once you've had a relapse? Problem with relapse is that it kind of resets the whole race. Or that's the psychology. That's how people think about it. They think, okay, I've held the fort 30 days, 50 days, 100 days, and now I fell. Well, I keep saying this over and over in my videos, that no fapping, holding on is only a band-aid solution. It's temporary. In order for you to finally make a change, you have to give your body what it requires, i.e. intimacy. And the only intimacy that's allowed for you to have as a Muslim is, of course, marriage. That's why I keep telling the brothers and sisters, yes, focus on no fapping, on holding yourself, fasting, and so on, but put more resources towards the possibility, towards working at getting married. And once you get married, people are worried, of course, to get married. What's going to happen? Am I going to have the same issue in the marriage? You have to understand that marriage is part of the healing process. It's part of the solution. Your body is asking for intimacy. The only intimacy you're giving it is pornography. The only intimacy you should be giving it is halal intimacy, which is marriage. So can't you see the connection here? You have to give your body. It's like asking for food, okay? You might say that's an extreme comparison, but it is. It's a primal need. So for you, in order to really make a recovery, where inshallah you won't relapse, you have to get married so you can give your body what it needs. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created you like that. The Prophet said, I marry and this is from my sunnah. The Prophet was the more ascetic person in the world. He could have held himself, but he married. So there's no way around it. You have to focus more. We have to provide more services to make marriage more accessible, more easy. But it's so difficult. And of course, it's so easy. So marriage difficult, Pornhub is easy. Very simple, straight up. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help us and to understand that. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.